Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a custom MOC, which is this truck right here. But it's not just this truck, because I've already made a truck MOC and it looks pretty similar to this, except it's pretty much all yellow and white instead of having bits of red here and there. So it's basically a combo of my van and my truck, so you can go probably check out both of those videos. And also, I haven't just gotten the truck, I've made a trailer to go along with it, so it's kind of like a camping trailer. And also, I've made this container that you can put stuff in. So I'm just going to close that back up. So you can probably plop this container right onto the back of the truck. It's a bit big, but it works. You just put that secured. And then, here's the magic. This trailer actually connects using a special type of hook I have made. So it'll take a bit to actually connect it. So put that in first. So we have that connected. And then push this one in, and we have that connected. So now we have a truck and a trailer that we can just push along. And also, if we want, we can remove one to make it easier to turn. So you can take off this one, for example. Let's hook that back up. Whoa! Let's fix that. Take me a second. Now I got it connected, so now we can put this onto our snot holes, which are on the side of the trailer, if you can see, right here, like right over here, there's some snot holes. This trailer is having a hard time connecting. It wasn't like this before, so this is like the first time it's happened. So we can connect that, finally. And you can drive around in a circle now. It can't easily turn the other direction, as you can see, but it could easily turn this way. And we can disconnect it all together like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!